Hey, what's up guys? I'm your boy Blue, and today we're back with another unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing Club de Nuit Intense for Men. Now let's get started. Alright guys, here's the box of Club de Nuit Intense for Men. This is a Eau de Toilette spray, 105 milliliters, 3.6 fluid ounces. Alright, here on the side, you have Club de Nuit written on the other side. You have a arm off sticker. On the top, you have arm off. Same thing on the back, and you got some ingredients. On the back, you have your barcode and your batch code right there. Alright guys, let's unbox it. Alright, here you go. And you also got a little diamond stud right there. Looks like you have arm off on the inside. And it comes with a little card. Here's the bottle of Club de Nuit. In the front here you have arm off, and there's like a little chain. This is the cap. There's like those little studs. Okay, so this is the reformulated batch. The original has like a silver atomizer. This one is black. You have Club de Nuit on the bottom. Also on the sides. Sorry about the fingerprints. On the back, there's nothing on the back. On the bottom, you have a little sticker and your batch code here on the top. Alright guys, that was the unboxing video of Club de Nuit Intense for Men. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of Club de Nuit Intense. If you like my videos, feel free to like it and subscribe. Turn on those bell notifications because it really helps me out. I'll see you guys next time. I'm your boy Blue, helping you guys smell amazing. Bye guys, see you next time. Peace.